Adding an unsubscribe link to your emails in SendGrid ensures compliance with email marketing regulations and helps maintain a clear subscriber list. Here's how to do it. Enable the unsubscribe group. Log into your SendGrid account. Navigate to Settings, Suppression Management, Unsubscribe Groups. Create an unsubscribe group if you don't have one. For example, name it General Emails or something relevant. Use the unsubscribe tag in your email. When creating your email in SendGrid, ensure you include a placeholder for the unsubscribe link. This tag will automatically generate a clickable unsubscribe link based on the unsubscribe group. Insert the link in your email content. In the SendGrid email editor, include a tag in a logical place, such as at the bottom of the email. For example, preview and test. Before sending your email, preview it to ensure the unsubscribe link appears and functions correctly. Send the email. Send the email to your recipients. The unsubscribe link will dynamically route users to a page where they can opt out.